Yeah,
don't want
running
anything
away,
to do with
running
you.
away.
No.
And I'll suggest you the same. I mean,
You're in the
if you
club
see-
and a guy comes up to you wearing a Barbie doll head on his crotchal region. What do? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, it's interesting.
This is also terrifying.
That's
This reminds me of Game of Thrones for some reason.
for which reason?
I don't know. Like, you know the 1,000 swords chair? It's like the 1,000 fingers jewelry.
If you're only in this kind of way.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Look at this.
That's kind of cute.
It's a ring.
I would-
And it's an opener.
I would actually propose to someone with that. Yeah, I'd be like, Oreo mine. Yeah. So I'm never gonna get married. Anyway, we have a car and we take it out of this sand. And now it's a doorknob. Wow. We got a tin fork.
Why they with the fork?
I mean, it's a tin fork. What are you gonna do with a tin fork?
Nothing. It's
Nothing.
to make a spoon, right?
Yeah, that's it. That's it, right?
That's it.
It's like I have, you know, in between meals.
Yeah.
What was that?
No way.
That was really weird. In between meals, I'm finished with my fork. I finished eating my spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
So I burn my fork and I make a spoon for my cereal tomorrow the next morning. It just makes sense. It's logical to me.
Absolutely.
We have some gypsum and we're gonna put some aluminum in it. And we're gonna do a crackety crack. And now we have a... What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's
a cool
mushroom.
results.
Go. Well,
That's an interesting nickname for your think tank. Anyway. So, aluminum. What are we making now? We have, it looks like it's a slingshot. Cool. I wonder if it bends when you pull it back too much.
Melt your metal!
Whoa!
What a necklace!
That looks tasty. I mean, that looks like metal.
That looks
Wow.
awesome. I wanna wear this.
It's a necklace?
It's a necklace,
What?
yeah. It's
Okay,
a
so
square
it's just
necklace.
a square. Okay.
Oh, whoa! Did you
Bringing
saw
a
it?
whole new meaning to don't be a square. I'm going against that. I'm just I just go against everything that people say to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why? What's your problem?
I don't have a problem. You have a problem. I don't have a problem. Society has a problem. Right, guys? Okay, anyway.
Yes!
So we're melting some stuff in other stuff and then making it hard.
Make it hard.
Make it hard. That's what we gotta do.
Yeah.
That's what we do on Archie 5. We make things hard.
That's yes.
Let us know if we made you. Alright, so we have a silicone mold.
I mean, tough person.
Yeah. Tough. Yeah, that's what we meant by
yeah,
hard.
yeah,
Nothing else.
yeah.
I don't even know if there's anything else that means hard.
No, nothing. Yeah.
Okay, so we have. It looks like a long toothbrush. Oh,
It looks like a.
wow! That's
It's a chest.
awesome.
Wow.
A bunch of different tool heads. Wow. There's so much metal happening right now.
That's amazing.
I love it.
I love it as well.
Wow.
But be careful. with
Yeah, you got to be
metal,
careful. That's why we're wearing all these
yeah.
gloves in these videos. Not us right now. We're not actually there.
Yeah.
We're up here.
But
you're
usually
looking down
when we
there.
do like so. Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the cup.
Oh, okay, nice.
So
It's a kind of it's a little small, you know.
small.
And if you actually heat it up, it'll probably melt again.
Exactly.
Because it's made of,
Yeah.
you know.
But it depends from the metal.
Yeah. But if it's like gallium or something,
Yeah, gallium.
then it's just gonna like liquefy.
What ugly holder for your key?
That's pretty ugly. It's pretty ugly.
Oh, okay. So.
Okay, we have a foot. This is 5 Minute Craft, so
Yeah.
of course that's just a staple.
Is there any video without food? I guess
In
not.
5 Minute Crafts?
No, I mean all videos, right?
Good one, Archie. All right, so we have. It looks like a comb almost, but I don't want. Why would you have a foot comb?
I don't know.
It's-
It creates me some goosebumps.
Really? Wow, yeah. I bet they feel it as well. Yeah. This is an ugly chair. I love it. Wow.
It's ugly thing.
I love
which
it.
I love it.
It's good.
It's,
Lead. Okay, that's toxic. Gotta be careful. Gotta wear your mask when you make that.
Yeah, always.
Ah, and it's one of those drill things. I bet if they use it though, it's gonna be just pulverized.
I think it's not gonna work.
You can use it one time.
one time drill. Yeah, be it. So okay, there is normal.
Yeah, see, it's bending and melting and nah.
Actually, nice they
showed that it didn't
the
work.
truth,
Yeah. 5-minute crafts coming in with the truth. I didn't know they did that. Just kidding.
See?
Just kidding, 5-minute crafts. Don't come after me. Okay, so we have a cactus brush, which is always really useful. Yeah. And I really like this lovely necklace that they're making with peas. It's my favorite vegetable, so.
Okay, but they wasted this.
No. You can still eat the peas.
Seriously?
No, you can't eat the peas. Don't try to eat the peas.
Don't try.
Keep the peas away from... Jeremy, keep the peas away from your mouth!
First of all.
Okay, so we have...
some connection.
an anvil and a little connection. Wow!
Wow,
so strong.
Strong connection.
Or you could just pick it up with your hand.
What are you gonna do with these dolls? You just
Suffocating the little mermaid. Jeez.
Wow.
What did she do to you?
What is this ugly thing?
Oh my god, it's my nightmares!
No
Oh my God.
way!
For some reason, that's even more nightmarish than it was before.
That's...
If I see a guy wearing that coming up to me, sure. Okay. Have you ever tried acupuncture?
Yeah, but I mean I did it on special things. It's like a carpet with a small.
Okay. Did you notice a difference?
No, I didn't.
Okay, guys, let us know. Did acupuncture work for you? I'm curious. I don't know. I've never tried it before.
I don't know.
I don't like things touching my feet. I don't like feet in general, to be honest. That's why we watch so many 5-minute crafts videos.
Who likes feet, right? Nobody.
Nobody likes feet, right, guys?
Yeah. Who need it?
Yeah, except that one guy that wants to buy your feet.
Yeah.
And that other person who wants like feet action figures from you.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just your feet.
I don't know. Nothing special about my.
I don't know. Let's whip them out. Let's see him. Okay, so this is kind of a cool sink, actually. They made it
nice, yeah. And it was the action of melting.
Yeah, they melted it underneath the glass. It was cool. We have a shell. Let's see what the inside of the shell looks. I have a little bit of a little guess here, a little theory.
Yeah,
it's gonna look just like the shell on the outside.
Just a metal.
It's gonna be a metal.
Yeah.
And there it is, folks. You'd
Wow.
expect it to look different, though. You're like, oh, it's gonna be the inside of it.
Actually, we tried this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it wasn't that pretty.
No, yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Let's try it
If you like it, write us.
Let us know.
Let us know.
Let us know everything you're feeling right now.
Is it a brush?
This looks like a chicken leg, kind of.
Chicken brush.
A chicken
I
brush.
would call it.
Chicken pot brush.
Chicken wings, chicken wings.
Yeah. Okay. That's weird. Why? Do you guys know why? I don't know why.
I don't know.
This is like the rings from Sonic or the Olympic Games.
Or Audi.
Or Audi.
Yeah.
But that's four rings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're missing one.
So and no.
They legally couldn't make 4 rings.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I think.
I want to see it and test it.
What?
Ooh. Oh, why? Why would you do that,
Yes.
sir? Tell me now. That's an ugly heart. That's not a heart. I know hearts don't look like that anyway, but still.
I don't like it.
Do you know the reason why hearts are drawn like this, even though they look like?
No. Tell me. You know?
I don't know why. Tell us why, or Google search it for us, please. Why do hearts look different?
Yeah, it
in
looks
cartoons.
more like a flipped Besmer.
It does
Than
look
heart.
like yeah. I think it must be a peach that's flipped.
Oh yeah.
Unique comb. He's like crying in pain right now underneath the smile.
I would use it.
Okay, we got some tin to melt and a weird
Excuse
comb
me?
fork.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Scratch your butt. All right, so, but wash your hands afterwards. We have a bird.
We have a meadow.
We're burning the bird. I mean, no, we're not gonna burn the
Metal
bird. We're making
bird.
the metal bird. And now, wow! It's perfect for your Christmas
No, it's
tree
not
as an
perfect.
ornament.
It's not perfect. It wasn't perfect.
Hey, you can find perfection in everything in this beautiful, beautiful world.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. You can find value in everything. You can find good qualities in everything, but there's no such thing as perfection.